The absolute most important thing to do after an injury at work is to report it. Whether that's to your supervisor, HR, or whoever, you need to report your injury. After you've reported the incident, you need to ask them to see a doctor. It's their job to send you to the company doctor, and that is going to be important in the documentation of your case. That first doctor report, again, documents how you were injured, what was injured, and they should do the testing that would prove what your injury is. That initial doctor's report is one of the most important pieces of evidence for me to prove your workers' compensation claim, because it will tell us how you were hurt and what was hurt, and should document objectively what your injury is. If you ever become unhappy or uncomfortable with the treatment the company doctor is recommending, you have an absolute right to request a change of physician. A lot of times people call me at that point, and we can assist with how to get the change of a physician accomplished. Oftentimes after seeing a doctor, the doctor will give you certain work restrictions. At that point, you need to provide those work restrictions to your employer, and your employer gets to decide whether they're going to provide you work within those restrictions or if they're not going to provide you work. If they don't provide you work, then it's going to be workers' comp's responsibility to pay you your wages. If your employer does provide you light duty work, then you absolutely need to try to do the work.